We bet you didn't know that your lipstick could be used in these many ways, and today we're going to surprise you with just that. I have 3 different shades of creme lipsticks with me. Lakme Absolute Argan Oil lipstick in the shade Deep Brown, in the shade Silky Blush, and in the shade Soft Nude. So my foundation is done and there's nothing on the rest of my face. For the same, I used the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Serum Foundation, and now I'm going to do the rest of my face practically using just these 3 lipsticks. So let's get started. I will now take this light brown shade to contour my face. Since the texture is creamy, it acts exactly like a creme contour stick. We will blend this out using a damp beauty blender. So we're done with the contour, and the next step is to add color on your cheek. For this, I will take a pink lipstick on the tip of my fingers and dot it on the apple of my cheek. I will then blend this out using a beauty blender. We're onto the eyes now, for which I will be creating a bronzy glossy look. I will be going ahead with 2 lipsticks, the first one being the Lakme Absolute Argan Oil in the shade Deep Brown, and the second is the Lakme 925 Lip and Cheek Color in the shade Blush Velvet. I'm going ahead with the brown shade for the outer corners of the eye and the Blush Velvet Lip Color for the eyelids and the inner corners. The final step is to finish the look with a soft nude lip shade. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more such videos, follow BeBeautiful on YouTube and Facebook. Do not forget to check us out on www.bebeautiful.in.